Oh, baby girl. Just so you guys can see me. Okay. I really need a wide angle lens. This is not working. Okay, it is like 6:40 in the morning. I went to bed at like 2 in the morning, and I'm gonna go back to sleep later because I gotta work tonight. Good morning. Today there's way too much going on that I figure that's so car related that I will capture it. Like right now I'm going to the gym with Kyle. I gotta take him to work. Then I'm gonna come back home and I gotta put on some stuff. I got a front splitter. I got my rain guards. I got these little gold and black carbon fiber decals for my emblems. Very simple installs, very stupid little things. The CS lip is gonna replace my Easy lip, so sorry Easy lip, you guys have been great. And your products hold up like really well, but I gotta step up my game. It's not really there in style points, so I gotta do that. And after that, I gotta go to Olympia, which is an hour drive, which is where my girlfriend is. And I got to take some photos of some cars that are down there. I don't know. So we'll see. We'll figure it out. But then I gotta go to work. But so it's a pretty eventful day if things go as planned. There's no script here. I have no idea. It is 6:54. 5 minutes to get somewhere is 15 minutes away. So I'm gonna do that. Let's hit the road. It's like you can't even get two people. Like well you can, but like better. Yeah, with this lens. It does not fucking work. Narrative. Picked him up, hour later. It's 8 o'clock. We have 45 minutes probably to work out. Jesus, I'm just a white blur. There we go. Look at that beard. So nobody's met Kyle yet. Kyle,
what up?
Say hi. Introduce.
Kyle. What's going on?
Longtime friend, owns a Subaru. It's been out of commission for a while now, but that's just
a couple years
because of stupidity that kind of rolls into life, and that always happens to everybody. But
lack of cares.
Someday it'll get fixed. 8:09. Okay, it's time to go. Okay. That's great. So. Yeah, like really bad. At the gym. Anyways, well, see you guys with. Okay. All right, so we're replacing this Easy Lip, which is basically just going to be a big tug of rubber. Really good protectant. Like, it's been on for a year and a half, and look at this thing. It does not want to come off. It does not want to come off. So thank you, Dwayne, and all the guys over there at Easy Lip for giving me this for free and kind of doing everything for it. You guys put it on professionally, and you guys did an amazing job. But I'm moving up, I think, in the world to kind of get on the bandwagon with the CS Lip, and then also maybe another splitter. Right to putting on that new CS Lip and seeing how it looks along with rain guards and some other stuff. So let's pop this out real quick, and hopefully it should be really easy. I had to cut around to fit fender flares, so it looks a little janky there, but besides that, pretty good. Anyways, finished product of the CS Lip. I kind of like it. I really do. I like the look of it. It looks good on the car. A lot better than, well, what's left of this.
We'll be right back.